Hello friends, once again all of you are welcome in the lecture of English grammar, and today's topic we are going to cover the topic of sentences. Let's we have a definition of sentences, a group of words which expresses complete meaning. We have one more definition. Sentences are the meaningful combination of words that directly or indirectly conveys certain emotions, impulses, moods, etc. We have example about the sentences. The Ganga is a big river. This sentence provide information. One more example. Where do you read? This sentence ask information. One more example. Keep silent. This sentence give the sense of order. One more example. Oh God bless you. This sentence give the sense of request. One more. How beautiful the rose is. This sentence reflect the emotions. Now, every sentence has a three part. Every sentence consists of three major parts. They are subject, verb, object. Now, the kinds of sentences. As in the slide, you can see sentences can be divided majorly into four types. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. The first one, assertive sentence, can be further divided into two subparts: positive or affirmative sentence, and the second one is the negative sentence. We have some more about the assertive sentences. They provide the information. It may be in the positive or negative form. Sometimes they are also called declarative sentences. They gives a declaration about the subject. We have the example of assertive sentences with the positive sense. The sun is very hot. Sugar tastes sweets. Kanpur is an industrial city. Yes, I can solve this sum. Some more examples of assertive sentences with the negative sense. I do not like coffee. He is not going to Delhi today. Kanpur is not a village. No, I cannot go there. Second type of sentence is the interrogative sentences. In these type of sentences, information is asked in question form. They always end with the sign of question mark. Examples of interrogative sentences. What is your father? Who is he? Are you going to Lucknow today? Where did she come from? Third type of sentences is the imperative sentences. These sentences reflect the command, request, or suggestion. Examples of imperative sentences: stand up, boys, open the window, please give me a pen, Shyam, sit down. Fourth and the last type of sentence is the exclamatory sentences. They express the feeling or sentiments of heart. We have example for the exclamatory sentences. How beautiful the rain is. How clever he is. What an idea. Nonsense. One important note is there. The first one, all positive, negative and imperative sentences end with the full stop. That is the mark of full stop. All interrogative sentences end with the question mark. All exclamatory sentence must have a sign of exclamation. These signs are used at the end of the sentences. That's all in the today's lecture. Thanks to all of you.